Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Dill Pickle Express, where today, against all reasonable dietary advice, Dave has decided to take his expanding waistline on a journey of self-discovery. That's right, he could have made responsible food choices. He could have picked a salad. He could have been at the gym right now. But no, instead, Dave is barreling toward pizza like a man who believes stretchy pants are a lifestyle choice. They had options, plain cheese, spicy habanero, but Dave said, "No, give me the dill pickle cheese stuffed crust." Because why stop at indulgence when you can embrace full-blown recklessness? Will it be a genius flavor innovation, or just another notch in his belt, literally? There's only one way to find out, and if this pizza doesn't change Dave's life, at least he'll have enough sodium in his bloodstream to be legally classified as jerky. Alright, pizza, prepare yourself. Dave's coming in hungry, mildly ashamed, but mostly excited.
All right, Big Dave, pizza, a new stuffed crust, a flavored stuffed crust, habanero or pickle. Well, sounds weird, let's check it out. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Awesome.
Nice.
You've got a new stuffed crust pizza like habanero or dill pickle?
Yeah, we have the habanero and the dill pickle.
Okay.
Let me see if it's even in the system though. I know online people have been purchasing it, but
Right.
Yeah, we have it, yeah.
Perfect. Medium is the smallest, right? Is
Yeah.
there any deal on toppings or should I just get a cheese one?
Let me see. I think we have we have a medium pizza deal. It's 2 toppings included, and you
Okay.
get dipping sauce. It'd be with the stuffed crust. Which stuffed crust did you want? The dill pickle?
Dill pickle.
Dill pickle?
I think. Have you tried either one of them
I've
yet?
tried the habanero one.
Was it good?
It's pretty good,
Is it?
but it is pretty spicy at the same time.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
Okay. Dill pickles, it's a craze right now, isn't it?
Yeah, no, dill pickle is good in my opinion. I
Yeah.
haven't tried it yet though. I should. Probably will soon as well, actually.
Right on.
But yeah, with 2 toppings,
Yep.
the pickle thing, and you get a dipping sauce with tax and everything, it'd be $18.63 if you want.
And how's that compared to just a regular one with just
Just cheese and
just
dill
cheese,
pickle
yep.
thing? Let me see. It'd be $15.80 if you want to look at cheese.
yeah, just give me the cheap one. What the hell?
Yeah, gotcha. Anything else, sir?
No, I think that's it.
Cool, gotcha. Alright, just go whenever you are ready. And yeah, it'll be like around 10 minutes.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you very much. You have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Take care, sir.
Step into the past. Walk in the shoes of an RCF airman. 427 Wing, London, Ontario. A historic landmark where stories of bravery, camaraderie, and service come to life. Join us for a nostalgic buffet brunch. Date, June 22nd, 9:30 a.m. Location, 427 Wing, London, Ontario. Exclusive offer. Mention Big Dave at checkout for $2 off per buffet. Great food, amazing history, and unforgettable moments. Looking forward to seeing you there. On June 22nd at 2155 Crumlin Road, London, Ontario. The 427 Wing Cafe and Big Dave's Meet and Greet.
All right, welcome back. Big Dave, by the slice. Let me turn this camera off. Okay, so this is the new dill pickle stuffed crust pizza. It's some dill pickle flavored cheese. This thing is $13.99 plus tax. $15.81. Now, you could get a special and get this with 2 toppings as well and a dipping sauce for, $3 more. I was just too cheap to get it. So I apologize to the person who's going to end up with this pizza, and yeah, I was too cheap to get you toppings. Sorry. Now, this is a medium. God, let's take a couple pictures of this before I take a bite of it. All right, so I've said it once about pizza, and I'll say it again. At least you're using a real oven. It's no conveyor belt. It's not Little Caesars. It's not Domino's. It's a proper oven. Let's get a piece. Okay, it's a super thin crust. It's almost too far on the bottom. But the cheese, it looks sick, doesn't it? Look how thin and little this is and how fat the crust is. But it's got cheese in it, so we'll excuse it this time. Let's take a bite. Charred on the bottom too much, to me. I get the dill. I don't get the pickle. This is a dill flavored cheese, not a dill pickle flavored cheese. In my estimation, I don't know, is there a difference? I think so. It was overdone on the bottom. You can actually taste the char. This wasn't a great pizza. This has been a pretty good location for us most of the time. This one wasn't a great one. I guess I got to give it a score, but what? I don't know. It's a 5-1. Yeah, it's a. I wouldn't try again. What do you think? Would you eat this crap? Big Dave, by the slice. Thanks for watching. Big Dave.